So that is how education can take you a long way. You can accomplish any dream whatsoever in your life. So it is a very important aspect of your life. Always concentrate on it. And there is a very, these years are very formative years of your life. Especially the age group, say maybe 17, 18 to like 25 years. These are this is the particular time when you either make your life or you break your life. Either you accomplish something in your life and you cherish it throughout your life, or you end up doing nothing. You just waste your time. So it is said that stronger the foundation, the taller the building that can be raised over that foundation. So this is the time that when we will lay that foundation. तो जितना तगड़ा नींव पत्थर इस टाइम पे आप रखेंगे उतनी ही इमारत मजबूत बन पाएगी. तो ये आप जितना आज के टाइम में the stronger the foundation you lay, the more accomplishment that you can make in your own life. So there is a very small formula that I call the success mantra. To accomplish anything in your life, you need a particular lifestyle. So there is a very famous quote, a very famous proverb which goes like this, that sow a thought and reap an action. When you sow a thought, you reap an action. When you sow action, you reap a habit. When you sow a habit, you reap a lifestyle. And when you sow a lifestyle, you reap your destiny. So it doesn't come in a single step. You need to follow a particular procedure. First you think in your mind what exactly do you want, what is your goal in your life, just focus on it. And when you focus on it and you take a particular action on it, you repeat that action, it becomes your habit. Once it becomes your habit, you inculcate that lifestyle in yourself. Once you inculcate that particular lifestyle, you achieve your destiny. So this is very important that it all starts from the clarity of the goal, the thought in your mind. So it should be very clear in your mind. Secondly, once you know what is to be done, you focus on it. Given the today's competitive world, it is not easy. For example, you want to become an IAS or an IPS officer. There is so much competition these days. You cannot study 10 hours daily. People say that you study 10 hours. It's not possible. It's not humanly possible. So, along with the studies, always inculcate a hobby. And I think that pursuing a particular sport is a very good hobby. So, always play something while you are studying as well, because sports will teach you the biggest lessons of your life. In education, while studying, you just learn the theories. The practical lessons of your life you will learn only in the field. When you play a sport, you become more competitive. How you take the competition healthily. You develop a sportsman spirit. You develop a team spirit. When you are leading a team, you tend to get those leadership qualities. So in the long run, sports teaches you many lessons and it will go a long way in your life. So always mix your studies and your hobbies in a healthy manner so that you end up enjoying your life. This is not that you have to, it is not possible, humanly possible in these days कि आप सिर्फ पढ़ी जा रहे हो. You need to mix it. So for that, you need to inculcate some any hobby, any whatever you want to follow. So at the end, I will just give you best wishes. And before I conclude myself, being a police officer, I would like to, it would be incomplete if I don't extend something on you guys. In case of any kind of problem in the district, there are many times that there are incidents of teasing, or maybe some girls may be married as well. So there are problems of dowry as well. So in case of any kind of problem, you are most welcome. The Jajjar Police is one call away from you. In case of any kind of problem, you are most welcome. And as a woman, as a girl, you should know your rights as well. the constitution and the statutory provisions have given so many rights to you. So you should be aware of those rights, but at the same time, they shouldn't be misused. So we are ready for any kind of help that we require anytime. And at the end, I would just like to congratulate the entire society members and all the dignitaries present over here for organizing such a wonderful function. And my best wishes are with you. Thank you.
इस साइड बनाएंगे हाँ इस साइड बनाएंगे